Fractals are interesting, especially when we are studying and discussing sacred geometry, as well as asking the question, is there an intrinsic design or a pattern to the universe? Well, what's interesting about fractals is if we use extremely advanced technology or microscopes that can zoom into any atom to the tiniest scale, then we can see fractals in these atoms. And so what I'm trying to tell you is that if we zoom into any atom to the tiniest scale, what we will see is sacred geometry or patterns or a design. And you can Google fractals for yourself and see what they look like. However, just to refer you to a YouTube channel that may be able to give you a deeper insight into fractals, I would refer you to a channel named We Are Happy Plants. And this channel has a lot of information regarding Terence McKenna. And in fact, Terence McKenna discusses fractals and sacred geometry in great detail on there. And so I would advise you to check out that channel. I will just say, I think the channel is called We Are Happy Plants. However, if you do search in that name on the search bar, it should take you to a channel with the same name, if not similar. Going back to what I was discussing about fractals, what's interesting about fractals is that we see sacred geometry in all atoms that have ever existed. And so what we can say about the universe is that it is geometric in nature. However, what's even more interesting about fractals and atoms is that if you carry on zooming into the atom without stopping, you see the same shape being repeated over and over again. And so it would seem that this geometric form or geometric shapes we see in atoms are never ending. And so you could zoom into an atom as many times as you like using the most advanced microscope you could find, and you will see the same shape just overlapping or overlaying over and over and over again. And so it's interesting when we talk about an infinite creator or a design to the universe which would seem to sustain eternal life. Does this tie into sacred geometry and fractals? That's an interesting question. Thank you for checking in today's video.